Hemorrhoids are a rather annoying and painful disease, as it develops in an area where it is not comfortable to have some drawback, such as the anus. Hemorrhoids occur when the veins and vessels around the anus swell to such a critical point that the pain it causes in this area is unbearable and uncomfortable enough to affect the person in many areas. Hemorrhoids can be considered one of the most tedious problems that can be faced by human beings. For this problem, there are methods and techniques to cure, but in this video, we are going to tell you the most effective of all. With this recipe you can heal your hemorrhoids quickly and easily, so you will feel better in just 20 minutes. This is the natural remedy that will cure your hemorrhoids. Many people around the world can end up suffering from hemorrhoids. You can even say that 10 people at least 7 have had hemorrhoids once throughout their life. This problem can be seen related to many factors that influence the problem to develop. Among the most common are constipation, heredity, pregnancy, diarrhea, old age, very spicy foods, excessive use of laxatives, and hypertension. So, to cure this problem in the simplest way, what you should do is follow the following recipe. Ingredients: 250 milliliters of wheat germ oil, 10 grams of chamomile powder, the petals of 2 roses, 20 grams of honey, 20 grams of lanolin. Process: put all the ingredients in a pot and bring it to boil for 20 minutes, then remove from the heat and let it cool. When the mixture is cold, strain it with a colander or a gauze, and add the honey and lanolin. Finally, refrigerate until it hardens. Indications: use this mixture when it is already solid to its spread on the affected area, and in a few minutes, you will feel immediate relief. Continue this treatment daily to completely heal the area.